There are many ways to set white balance on the Canon R6 Mark II. The most popular method and the most accurate actually must be using white card or gray cards, but the methods I'll show you today don't include any of that because as a run and gun shooter, I prefer not to carry any of that extra gear. I want to stay efficient, mobile, and still be accurate. So if you're like me, I think you'll probably enjoy these tips. Now let's address the elephant in the room, auto white balance. While it can be efficient to use white balance for photography, it's not ideal for using in video. For example, let's say you shoot outdoors and it's a sunny day, you set your auto white balance, everything is fine, but then clouds come in and the auto white balance will continuously try to adjust auto white balance. So you're gonna have like shift in colors, and it's not ideal. Then it's going to be a nightmare trying to correct those color shifts in post-production. So what I use is the Kelvin color temperature setting inside the Canon R6 Mark II. That way I know that the color temperature won't shift when I'm recording a video. Now the next question is, okay, but how do you set that color temperature? Well, it's really simple. I use a free app on my phone called Light Meter, which you can get on the App Store. I just point my phone in the direction I want to shoot and it gives me the color temperature I need for accurate white balance. Also, white balance can read differently if there's skin tones in the shot. So if I want to record a video of myself and I want to know the color temperature to use, I just use the app. I turn the phone around as if I'm taking a selfie and I just hit that pause button on the screen or just take a screenshot with my phone and it will tell me like the right color temperature to use. Now all I have to do is go to the color temperature setting inside the Canon R6 Mark II and set it to the same number that the app gave me, and voila. Another method that I use is leveraging auto white balance. Now I know I told you not to use auto white balance, but in that case, just give me a second, I'll explain. I switch between the auto white balance and color temperature settings. I observe the screen and manually dial the Kelvin temperature that matches what auto white balance provides. While I don't want to stay in auto white balance long term, I just use it to analyze the frame and like what color temperature it uses. I just wish auto white balance had like a feature where you can see like the color temperature it's using, but it doesn't work like that. So I switch between auto white balance and color temperature setting and adjust them until they match. Once I achieve the same look, I just stick to the color temperature setting. So that's it. That was just a quick video today just to show you how I use white balance on my Canon R6 Mark II, and that will work also with any Canon cameras or any cameras overall. So yeah, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.